Welcome back to Product Critique, and today, we're bringing you the best heated stadium chair on the market, the HOPERAN heated stadium seat. Whether you're braving a chilly evening game, a crisp morning tournament, or an outdoor movie night on the grass, this chair is about to redefine your comfort experience. Let's dive in. First, let's talk heat, because that's what this chair is all about. The HOPERAN heated stadium seat features dual-zone heating. That means both your back and seat get toasty at the same time. With a simple remote, you can choose from 3 heat levels: high, medium, and low, with a maximum temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The best part? It works with any USB power bank. Just plug it in, turn it on, and enjoy hours of warmth. Safety is well handled too. The heating elements are wrapped in insulated wiring to prevent any risk, so you can sit back and relax without worry. Now, let's talk comfort. This isn't your standard bleacher pad, it's like bringing your own armchair to the stadium. The chair is built with thick, high-density foam and covered in rugged 600D Oxford fabric that's both waterproof and durable. The backrest is fully adjustable with 6 reclining positions, so whether you're upright for cheering or reclined for chilling, you'll find your perfect angle. What makes it even better is the flexibility of the armrests. Want extra room? Just flip them down to expand your seat to 21 inches wide. Keep them up when you want that snug, supportive feeling. Now portability, because no one wants to carry something heavy across a stadium. HOPERAN has solved this with a lightweight steel frame and convenient backpack straps. Simply fold it up, throw it on your back, and off you go. Hooks and straps help lock the chair securely onto the bleacher so it won't slide around while you're moving or cheering. Storage is another big win. There are 5 pockets in total, a large one on the back for posters or jackets, 2 side pockets for your phone and snacks, and even a drink holder so your hot coffee or cold soda is always within reach. There's even a little pocket to safely tuck away your USB power bank. And finally, versatility. This chair isn't just for stadiums. Use it at music festivals, drive-in theaters, campsites, or outdoor movie nights. Basically, anywhere you want comfort and heat without sacrificing portability. It's also a great gift idea: birthdays, Christmas, you name it. If you're in the market for the best heated stadium seat that combines heat, comfort, portability, and thoughtful design, the HOPERAN heated stadium chair is your go-to. That's it from us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more expert reviews right here on Product Critique. Stay warm, stay comfortable, and we'll see you in the next one.